This is the TRON E-24, the flagship zero-contamination standard from our TRON E-Series Weldstation fleet for the next century of aerospace, nuclear, and medical innovation. Built on 48 years of flight-proven heritage, the E-24 provides the total immersion purity required for titanium, Inconel, and exotic superalloys. By eliminating the atmospheric variables that cause critical failures, we ensure mission-critical hardware performs for decades, extending typical 5-year lifespans to 15 years or more. Our rapid purge architecture achieves a verified zero-oxygen environment in under 5 minutes, securing the metallurgical integrity of critical hardware. This precision ensures your parts exceed AS9100 and AWSD 17.1 standards, consistently passing HLT, RT, and hydrostatic NDT specifications without porosity or embrittlement. The TRON eliminates localized oxidation on ultra-thin edges, preventing burn-through on micro-precision bellows and high-pressure propellant lines. Constructed from electropolished 304L stainless steel, the TRON system acts as a thermal buffer, preventing buckling and managing extreme thermal shock. Designed for high-volume production, the electric height-adjustable chassis ensures operator precision and EHS compliance across every shift. Every TRON E-Series unit is autonomous GTAW ready, providing a seamless retrofit path for future AI-robotic autonomy. The integrity of a weld is a matter of human life. Ensure yours is grade A. Visit spacetronchambers.com to request a proposal.